How to add voiceover to Canva. So first of all, open canva.com in your browser, and here you can see all of the designs that you've created onto your PC, on your Canva. And what you need to do is just tap on one of the designs that you have and tap on upload. And here you can see two options, upload files and record yourself. What you need to do is tap on record yourself and allow permissions to record. After that, you'll see this interface in your screen. What you need to do is tap on the record option. The blue waveform is formed when you speak. So when you tap on record, it will start recording your voice. Just speak something and it will start recording. After the recording is done, just tap on done. And then your recording will be done on your first video. And you will just play it by going here. After that, same goes to the next video as well. So if you have more than one, two or three videos, then you may just repeat the process that I just did. Just tap on the record option and you can record voice on your Canva. So in this way, you can record voice on your Canva following the steps. So after that, you may just share the record with anyone you like, and you can copy the link and send it with anyone, or you may just download it. And this way you can record yourself in Canva. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.